Nursery cartoon love journey with who In a quaint little cafe where the sun kissed the floor, 5 ducks gather round, their hearts open to explore. With feathers so bright and each beak full of cheer, they settled in snugly, ready for a fun-filled
right
year.
outside.
Oh my.
Seriously.
First came Dapper Duck with the flair for the sweet. He ordered some waffles topped high with whipped treat. Life's best when it's sugary, he quacked with delight. A syrup cascaded like stars through the night.
Agreed, this was exactly what I needed.
And that, my friend,
Next was Daisy Duck, her spirit fresh as spring. A salad of greens made her chirpy heart sing. Healthy is happy, she said with a grin, as she nibbled on leaves that danced on the skin. Then waddled in Wally with his hearty old stew, a bowl rich and warm, a cozy comfort too. With flavor so bold, he proclaimed to his mates, this adventure's a feast that our friendship creates.
Wally, this is wonderful.
It smells
Not far behind
delicious.
them was Penny, quite shy. She craved something savory, pot pie caught her eye. Each flaky bite carries stories untold, her voice soft and sweetly
so
like
glad we could all meet up here.
secrets
Me
of
too, this cafe is lovely.
old.
It's my favorite. Just look at this
Last
sunshine.
but not least,
Beautiful
King and
day.
Freddie McQuack. He chose hot cocoa, no meal could he lack. With marshmallows floating like dreams in the foam, he dreamed of grand travels far from his home.
That is hilarious.
Seriously, that was the best
Through
story I've
sips
heard all
and through
week.
bites, they all shared their tales of treasure-filled journeys
this was
across
exactly
endless
what I
trails.
needed.
From mountains so tall to oceans so wide, their laughter rang out like the joy-filled tide. So 5 little ducks left the cafe one day, with food in their hearts and adventures at play.
I think
For
this turned
life
out
is a
perfectly.
banquet where memories
Wally,
blend
this is
in flavors
wonderful.
and friendships that
smells absolutely
never will
delicious.
end.
And that, my friends, is the story of how the spatula got its groove back. A lesson in patience, truly.
I'm so glad we could all meet up here.
Me too. This cafe is lovely. It's my favorite. Just look at this sunshine. Beautiful day.
Nursery cartoon love journey with who